I and E, as in the words big and beg. In our previous videos, we learned how to make them. Remember the videos for the I sound, as in the word it, and the E sound, as in the word bed? This time we'll focus on the differences between these two sounds. Most non-native English speakers can distinguish the I and the E as different sounds, but they often distort or confuse these vowels when pronouncing them. And that's what other people hear as an accent. In this video, we'll help you fix this by practicing the I and the E and contrasting them in word pairs. Before we begin, let's check how well you can differentiate between the I and the E sounds. You'll see a pair of words on the screen and hear only one of them pronounced. For example, beg. Can you guess what word you heard? Let's try a few more word pairs. Did. Led. Pin. Red. Set. Here are the two key distinctions between the I and the E. First, look at the position of the lower jaw. For the I sound, the mouth isn't very open. For the E sound, the mouth is half open. Second, look at the tongue. For the I sound, the tongue is raised high in the mouth. For the E sound, the tongue is in the middle of the mouth. Let's pronounce these sounds one after the other. I, 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 I. Now that you've revised how to make these sounds, let's start practicing. Don't skip this part, as the only way to improve your accent is to practice as much as possible. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation. Bid. After that, you'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Repeat each word after the speaker. The first word will have the I vowel sound, and the second will have the E vowel sound. Let's begin. Bid. Bed. Big. Beg. Bill. Bell. Bit. Bet. Bitter. Better. Built. Belt. Dessert. Desert. Did. Dead. Disc. Desk. Fill. Fell. Jim, Jim. Hid, head. Hill, hell. Jill, gel. Knit, net. Did you know that the letter E can represent both the E and the I vowel sounds? For example, E as in bag and I as in begin. The rule is simple. The E is found in stressed syllables and the I in unstressed ones.
Dead, did, desk, disc, belt, built, fell, fill, head, hid, left, lift, mess, miss, bed, bid, beg, big, bell, bill, bet, bit, check, chick, gem, Jim, hell, hill, hem, him, let, lit, pet, pit, bend, bind, bent, bint, check, chick, deck, dick, fen, fin, get, git, jest, gist, leapt, lipped, led, lid, lest, list, kex, kicks, kept, kipped, medal, middle, messed, missed, peg, pig, set, sit, bless, bliss, celt, kilt, clef, cliff, clench, clinch, crept, crypt, dell, dill, den, din, dent, dint, fetter, fitter, fez, fizz, fleck, flick, fretter, fritter, gelding, gilding, heck, hick, hem, him, hep, hip, hex, hicks, ken, kin, catch, kitch, med, mid, phlegm, flim. Quell, quill.